Hello. Good
Hello,
good evening, Ngok. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Wow, that's very good to know. Did you already eat your dinner?
Um, yeah,
Yes. Okay. So very good. So now, are you ready for our new lesson for today?
yes.
Okay, perfect. So for our lesson, we will have a new lesson for today, which is all about. So let me just. So we are still in Unit 4, all about food. But for our lesson for today, so we will practice your language.
Uh,
Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is language practice. Okay, can you read the title? Language practice.
language battle.
Okay, very good. So that is for lesson for today.
A banana.
Okay, so now let's go to the first fruit or the first food that we have learned last time. So, what fruit is this? It's a
Uh, ba, na, na,
okay, very good. So, it's a
na,
banana. Good job. Now,
banana,
let's check if your spelling is
A
correct.
banana.
Okay, very good. So, it's a banana. Do you like banana?
no,
I know. Okay, so very good. But do you eat banana? No, also. Do you
no,
eat?
I don't,
Oh,
no,
because why don't you like banana? Why don't you like banana? Because of the texture or the taste? Why don't you like banana? Why don't why don't you like banana? Banana is a healthy fruit. I think a banana helps us with potassium. Am I right? So banana is good for banana is good for the heart. Goods for yeah, it's high in potassium. So it yes, it's high in potassium. That's why it's very good for your physical body. Okay, so next, so good job. This is a banana. How about this fruit? What fruit is this?
this is orange.
Okay, very good. It's an orange. Now, what color is the orange? What color is the
Uh,
fruit orange? It is its color.
is, is color orange.
Very good. So this is the only fruit that has the same name as its color. So orange, orange. Okay, very good. Next.
An orange.
Okay, this is an orange. Next, what is or what fruit is it?
This is the uh, uh wait, wait. Uh, a pear.
Very good. What can a pear? How do you spell a pear?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Because I cannot see the letter R. Or I cannot see is it letter this one? Is it letter R?
No, it is a.
Oh, this is
Eight.
letter A. Oh, I cannot see the letter R. Okay, so very good. That is the spelling of a pear. So it has a letter R,
Pears.
or these are pears because we have how many pears are there in this picture? There
Uh,
are,
there are two, three pair.
are sure there is three? Not
Uh,
two or three. It's only
one, two, three.
no. It's only two because this one it is cut in half. So
It is.
this is
Uh,
the this is the other half of this part.
yeah, pair is missing. Yeah, pair in the missing.
Busy. But it's only two because it is cut in half. Yeah,
Uh, uh, the pair on the is missing.
it's missing.
A pair
Okay.
on a pair on the
The
missing.
pair, the pair of the pear is missing. This is
Yeah.
the pair of it. It is cut in half. Okay, so next, let's go
An apple.
with, oh, what fruit is this
Oh,
again? It's
oh,
an apple. Very good. It's an apple. Now, what color is the apple?
are are red.
Very good. It's color red.
Red.
Do you like apples?
No,
No,
no.
also? Oh no. Do you know, do you hear the quote on an apple? So they said, many people said, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So this means that the apple is a very healthy food. Because if you eat apple, so you might not go to a doctor because you will not be sick. Okay, so next. How about the pear? Ngok, what is the color of the pear?
It's a green.
Green, very good. It's green pear. Very good. So good job. So next, let's go with our next fruit. What fruit is this?
It's mango.
Mango, very good. It's a mango. Do you eat the mango? No. Also, no. You don't like all of the fruits?
No,
No. Why don't you like fruits? I thought you drink orange juice.
I drink orange juice. I
Oh,
don't fruit.
but you don't eat the fruit.
I don't like fruit.
Okay, but it's okay because when I was a child, or when I was a kid before, I also don't like fruits because the taste is not good. But when I got older, so like I learned to like fruits because it's very healthy for our body. Okay, what is that you are drawing? Is that a house?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, why is the color of the roof different with the color of the house? Okay, Ngok, so teacher has a question for you. Since you are drawing a house, when you got older, do you like a big house or only a small house?
A big house.
A big
I
house. Wow, that's very good. And when you have a big house, what color do you like for your big house?
white.
All color white? All of the color is white for your
Yes.
house? Wow. How about the color of the doors of your house? What are the color of the doors?
It's a brown
Oh,
and
you're
a black.
brown and black. And how many rooms do you like to have in your house? How many rooms?
I have a three room, a 3 bedroom,
Oh, 3 bedrooms. Wow, you like to have three
uh,
bedrooms,
a 2 bathroom,
2 bathroom, and
one
how many?
kitchen,
One
one
kitchen.
kitchen,
How about the
and
living
and
room?
one living room.
Wow, that's very good. And what are the things that you like in your house?
Three
What are the things that you like in your house?
things.
Yes. Do
Things.
you like television in your house? Yes or no?
I like
Or do you like your bedroom because it's very comfortable?
I like box.
You like what do you like?
I like a box. Wait,
What is that?
wait.
Okay.
This 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 is this
Oh,
is
books. Okay, books. Let's one more time. Let's say books.
box.
Wow. Wow. I just the, this is the only time that you told teacher that you like books. Wow. What are the things that you read? What are the things that you read in your books? What kind of book is that? Is that about a fantasy? It's that what kind of story? What kind of story do you read in your books?
Story. One book.
One book, yes. What kind of story? Is that a horror? Horror? Horror book?
Book.
Can I see that? Can you show it to teacher again?
Okay.
Is that an English book?
No,
Oh, it's in Vietnam?
this is English books.
Ah, it's an English. Can I see? What is the title? That is an English book, but
Yes.
the title is in Vietnam. Let me search about that book.
We
Quidditch.
did.
Oh, it's like a Harry Potter. Is that correct?
Wait.
Is that about also about Harry Potter?
Yes.
Oh, do you like to read Harry Potter?
No.
No.
My sister is like Harry Potter.
Oh, your sister likes Harry Potter. Who that book, is that your sister's book?
That's my is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
Uh, my
that's a
sister is uh is 6 books Harry Potter.
that's a lot. How about you? Do you have a book?
Uh, a one. I have a one book.
Oh, one book. What is your book about? What is the story of your book?
This is
Can I see? Can
yes.
can I see the is it a Vietnam book?
Yes.
Oh, can I see? Is that a monster? What what is that all about? Is that all about Harry Potter also? No.
Um.
Is that also about Harry Potter? No. It has a different story.
I have my sister is one
Oh,
Conan.
can I see?
This is my book sister.
Oh, that is your sister's book. Oh, is that a Japanese book?
Uh, this is book Conan. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Do you like reading books, Ngok? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow. That's very good that you like to read books. Because reading books, you will learn a lot, especially the words. Especially when you read English books. So there are words that you cannot understand sometimes, but you will learn what is the meaning of that English word.
A mango.
Okay, so now let's move on to our next fruit. Okay, what fruit is this again? Oh,
This is a pineapple.
this is a pineapple. Very good.
A pineapple.
Next, how about these? What is what fruit is it? It's
This
a
is this is a
grape.
grapes.
Okay, very good. This is grapes. One more time. Let's say grapes.
Grapes.
Okay, perfect. Good job. Next.
Grapes.
Next. So again, what kind of fruit is this? Or what is the name of this fruit?
It's a lime.
Very good, lime. Good job. Because last Monday, you read lime as lame. So good job that you
Uh,
have practice how lime or how you can read lime. So very good. So good job.
Limes.
Next, how about these? What is this?
this is a lemon.
Very good. This is a lemon.
Lemons.
What is the difference between lemon and lime? What is the color of lemon and lime?
A lemon is a yellow and a lime is a green.
Very good. Good job. So lemon is yellow. However, a lime is green. So they look alike or they look similar with each other, but they have a different colors. So next. Okay, how about this fruit? What is the name of this fruit?
This is a watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. This is a watermelon.
A water.
Next. Okay, what kind of food or what is the name of this food?
This a bread.
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 Very good. This is a bread.
Bread.
Next, how about these? What food is this?
This is a coconut.
Very good. This is a
Coconut.
coconut.
With coconut.
Next, how about this one?
This is beans.
Okay, let's check if this is a
Beans.
beans. Very good. This is beans. Next.
A pea. A piece.
Okay, very good. So, peas and beans. Next. Okay, let's check. Mm, the next
Pea.
food, this one.
This is a rice.
Very good. This is a rice. Did you eat rice this evening? Did you eat rice this evening? Did you eat? Did you eat rice for dinner?
Yes, and it's a right for
Oh,
dinner.
wow, that's very good.
rice,
So this is rice. Next, how about this food? What is the name of this food?
It is a potato.
Potato. Very good. This is a potato.
potato,
Next, how about if we have two potato? What will be or what should we call the potato if we have two? Because we only have
Uh,
one here.
it's
What
a potatoes.
okay, very good. Is it like this one or this one?
This two
First,
potato.
first or
It's
second?
two potato. Is a potatoes.
Very good. Is it this one first or second? Which is the correct one? Which is the correct? Can you can you
Two.
two? Very good. Two. So because with words ending with letter O, so we will add es instead of only adding letter S. So potatoes. Very good. How about for tomato? If we have two,
Tomato.
if we have
Tomato.
what shall we add? Letter S or ES?
Tomato.
Okay, very good. So good job. Good job. Next. Okay, so that is how we add or how we create the plural form of words ending in with letter O. Now, what fruit or vegetable? What vegetable is this?
This a carrot.
Okay, is it only one R or two R?
Two R.
Okay, very good. So we have two R. Good job. Next. Next
carrot,
one. How about these? What vegetable is this?
These are onions.
Very good. These are onions. So good job. Next. How about this one?
Is tomato.
Very good.
tomato,
Tomato. Next, okay. So let's have this activity number 1. So for this activity, we will find 10 differences. So when we say differences, for example, like this. Let's look at this one. What food is this, Ngok?
This is a lemon.
Very good. This is lemon. How about in picture number 2? What fruit is in the same position as the lemon?
This is a mango.
Very good. So that is for this activity. Yes, wow,
Uh,
very. Can you circle? Can you circle all of the differences that you will see?
but
Okay.
baby, it's a watermelon. What is? Oh,
Uh,
candy.
okay. Very good. Good job.
Wait, it is.
Go, go. Go take your time.
Hmm.
Hmm,
This is and this is. Wait,
very good. Good job.
what? Um.
There is another one.
Oh,
Oh,
um.
there are two. There are two differences left. Can you circle?
Two.
We still have
What?
we have two.
What?
How about
What?
Go, go, go. Take your time. You can take your time.
Hmm. Mm.
How about this one?
Oh,
Display.
wait.
Oh, okay,
Wait.
sure.
Mm.
Okay, take your time. We only have last one. We only have one difference left. Do you want to have a clue?
One, two, L,
Yes, very good. Good job. So now let's make a sentence out of these differences that we have. Let's first have this one. These. What is this? It's
What
a,
is a
is it a picture or a mirror?
mirror?
Very good. It's a mirror. How about this one in the second picture? It's a,
Is a clock?
very good. It's a clock. Next, let's go with this. This the food that the boy is eating. So in the first one, so he is eating a different kind of food. I think
He
yes,
is eating the
vegetables. He is eating
fish,
vegetables. Ve- fi-
vegetable.
Fish and vegetables. Very good. How about in the second picture? He is eating fish and
Fish and rice.
very good rice. Because as we can see, there are uh, seeds here or a piece of rice. Okay, next. How about this one? This is a of bowl of what fruit? Bowl of
Bowl of apple.
very good. Apple or apples?
It is a orange. It is a apple.
Very good. Apples or apple or apples?
Apples.
Very good. So good job. Don't forget to add letter S if we have a lot of things. So bowl of apples and bowl of oranges. Okay, next. How about this one? What is it? It's a
Is of bread.
very good. It's a bread. How about in the second picture? What is in the second picture?
Is a rice.
Very good.
Rice.
It's a rice or it's a bowl of rice. So good job. Next, how about the cat? The cat is the
The
cat
cat.
above
The
or
cat.
under?
The cat is under the the table.
Very good. How about in the second picture? Where is the cat? The cat, is it
The cat is next to the chair.
very good? It's next to the chair or the table. Very good. So good job. Next, how about in this one?
Oh,
There is a there is a what?
there is a tree.
Very good. How about in the second picture?
No
There
tree.
is no tree. Very good. So good job. So that's so most of this one. How about in this glass? It's an what kind of juice? It's an
Is
it is the juice that you like to drink.
this is orange juice.
Very good. How about in the second picture?
This
It
is water.
it's a water. Very good. So good job. So these are all of the differences that we can see in this picture. So good job for finding them all. So, okay. So for this one, Ngok, so we will end our lesson here because I can see that it is already that time. So we will just continue the next activity. So this activity, okay. So this activities in our next class, okay, which is on a Friday. So make sure that you will review all of the foods that we had learned last time so that we can be able to answer this in our next class. Okay? Okay, so see you again, Ngok, and goodbye. You can now take your rest. Goodbye, and thank you so much.
Bye.
Good night.